Hello, Tamim from Tamim Tech Reviews, back again with another video. So, today I'm going to be talking about a microphone that I needed to replace my Rode video microphone because it just stopped working. Like, it just decided like, hey, I'm retiring now, I'm not recording any audio for you, and that's that. Because, a little backstory, I was in the middle of doing something for school that required some video recording, and my microphone, my Rode, decided not to work. It picked up no audio, tried switching the cables and different input methods, and there's only two input methods versus the cables, and it just didn't work. And well, I mean, I've been out of a go-to microphone for vlogging or being on the go because I do use an 8kg C214 with PreSonus audio box and preamp for these videos, or sometimes I use that Yeti that's behind me for voiceovers. It depends what I'm doing, if I'm editing on my Windows PC or my Mac right here. So it depends on what I'm doing, what my workflow is. But I got the Movo VXR10. This is the little microphone that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys in a little bit, and in a couple clips later you're going to be hearing audio coming from this guy. If it works, it should work. I hope it works. Got that 2-year warranty scanned QR code right there. So in the box we'll get a microphone, obviously, the furry windscreen, or as they call it, the dead cat, a shock mount, soft case, 3.5mm TRS cable and a 3.5 TRRS cable, and we're going to be using the TRS cable, obviously. And I'm hoping that the Movo microphone, Jesus, isn't flimsy, because the other Rode microphone that I had it on my desk. I don't know where I put it. It was flimsy on the shock mount, so hopefully this is not flimsy. So let's unbox this and see what's in the box and test it in some later clips. Unbox this, and I need one of those knives like Mossy Carter. Just cut this thing wide open, you know what I'm saying? Dead cat. Nice. Here it is. This is what it looks like. Just looks very similar to the Rode microphone. I wish I had that with me so I can compare it. Oh, 1 second, let me go grab it. Compare the two so you guys can see the differences. The Movo does have a thicker diameter compared to the Rode. The Rode has just as thick of a base though. So they look similar. Obviously they're gonna have their branding on there. You have Movo and you have Rode. And this is the cable that comes with the Rode mic that decided to stop working. And it kind of looks similar to the one that comes with the Movo. This is for using with phones and stuff. You're gonna have to use an adapter. We'll do a test to see if we can use it on the iPhone. But this is the other cable it comes with. Here's the cute little bag, and that's it. Though that these shock mounts are not flimsy compared to the Rode shock mounts. Very nice. Oof. Yeah, it's pretty firm. Thank you God, it stays put. That's nice. I like that a lot already. I like this better than the Rode, because the other one, this thing was really flimsy and would like just flail around everywhere. But this doesn't. This is very nice. Thumbs up to Movo for that. And before we get started on the sound test between the Rode and the Movo, if the Rode works, here's an example of what I mean by the flimsiness of the Rode. Very flimsy. Movo doesn't even, you can't even see it. That's all right. Let's do it this way. Doesn't budge. Just stays put. That's what I was talking about. All right, now let's see if we can get the Rode to work. If not, the next clip you hear will come from. So the audio you're hearing now is coming from the Movo microphone. So I'm gonna use the same preset I use for my AKG microphone when it comes to editing sound quality, and it's not as loud right now because I don't have the input gain to match the microphone that it was with my AKG. Let me change that real quick. To 12 on the microphones, that way the Movo is a little bit louder, and I'm gonna be using the same preset that I use for my AKG C214. So testing mic 1 2 3, testing mic 1 2 3. This is the Movo microphone, and I would compare it to the Rode, but the Rode just is not working. let me try using the Mode's cable or Movo's cable and see if it works, but if not, you won't see a clip using the Movo. But this is the Movo sound quality test. Alright, so now the fan is blowing behind me on its max settings, and this is how it sounds with a fan running in the background at maximum volume, about 6 feet apart from the microphone. Anyway, I'm sorry. I tried to make it work with the iPad using the adapters, and it just does not work. If anyone has a suggestion on how to make it work with the iPad, let me know. I would test it with the iPhone, but I don't think I have an adapter for it to connect to a headphone jack, unfortunately, because I just don't use wired headphones like that anymore. So this was a quick video going over the Movo microphone, and I wanted to get straight to the point. I don't have an outdoor test yet because it's like 10 degrees outside, and I'm not going outside right now to do that. I'll do a follow-up video with outdoor testing with wind noise and all that, but for right now it's cold outside, and I'm gonna wait till it's like at least 30 degrees instead of like 10 or 5 degrees outside. It's cold right now. So if you liked the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more videos from me. And that is it. Take care, stay safe, peace.